In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay EastWest Bank credit card bills using GCash. By the end, you'll feel confident completing your payment quickly and correctly using the GCash app on your phone. First, open the GCash app. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet network and that you're already logged in. It also helps to have your EastWest Bank credit card handy so you can enter the correct number and to ensure you have enough balance or available funding in GCash for the amount you plan to pay. From the GCash home screen, tap Bills. This brings you to the Bills Payment Hub, where GCash groups different billers for easy access. Next, tap Credit Card. This section lists all the supported credit card billers, so you won't need to search through unrelated categories. Scroll down the list and select EastWest Bank. If you don't see it right away, keep scrolling. It's organized alphabetically within the credit card billers. Choosing the correct bank is important, so your payment gets routed to the right place. Now, enter the amount you want to pay. Type the exact figure you intend to settle today. If you're paying your total statement balance, input that full amount. If you're paying a specific figure, make sure it meets any minimum payment required by your statement. Double-check the amount to avoid accidental overpayment or underpayment, and be aware that any applicable convenience fees, if there are any, will be shown before you finalize. Next, enter your credit card number, exactly as it appears on your EastWest Bank credit card, typically the 16-digit number on the front. Avoid spaces or dashes unless the app adds them for you. Accuracy here is essential, so the payment is applied to the correct card. When you're done, tap Next. You'll see a summary screen with all the details you've just entered. Take a moment to carefully review everything: the biller name, the amount, and your credit card number. If you notice any mistakes, this is the time to go back and fix them. Once all the details are correct, tap Confirm. The app will process your payment and display a success screen. You may also receive a notification or message confirming the transaction. Posting time can vary depending on the biller and the time of day you pay. In many cases it's quick, but it may take up to a few banking days. If you're paying near your due date, it's wise to complete the payment a little earlier to allow for processing. That's it. Your EastWest Bank credit card payment through GCash is done.